Seagulls, hamburger. Seagulls, hamburger.
We're gonna crash the dump.
Shut up!
Seagulls. No,
Seagulls.
we're gonna kill the fucking
Hamburger. Seagulls.
No seagulls were alive in this video so far.
Seagulls.
So far.
Hamburger.
We don't know what's gonna happen. I might punch one.
Sounds retarded.
Sounds legit, Adam.
I'm going in! Fucking dumbass. Seagulls. Hamburger. Seagulls. Hamburger. We must keep walking.
It's a balloon! On the beach. I think that'd be a hit one, man. Balloon on the beach.
Seagulls. Hamburger.
Holy
Seagulls.
Shit, it looks like jizz.
Big ass
The
hamburger.
birds were jizzing.
That was bird shit, you ignorant bitch.
Hi, my name's Sandy. Oh, now we get to crash these birds too. Coming this fall, killing birds.
Name.
I totally got to go see that dude.
Seagulls. Burger. Shh. Don't say it.
We gotta see. I'll be right here.
Seagulls. Hamburger. This video is retarded. Hey. Hey.
The birdies on the
Seagulls. Hamburger.
Or maybe one will actually eat the burger. What? Ass munch.
Yeah, I don't think we can go out that far. But we'll try.
The patrolman, he's coming, he's like, yo, I shouldn't be out here.
Try. I'm done recording now.